how to join a Discord server without invite. So first is you have to go to your Discord application here. On the left side, you will see the different servers that you have there. And then on the bottom part of that, you will see a plus sign icon there. Just tap on that and here it will lead you to create your own server. Now on the bottom of that, there is a question, have an invite already? Just tap on join a server and tap on the invite link. We want to join without an invite, so you just have to tap on https. Just have to copy this up until the double G and the slash sign there, then double slash. Now after putting the slash beside the double G there, you have to input the server's name and then tap on join server there. And then here we have our server that we want to join, and then just tap on accept invite if that's the right one. And basically that is how you join a Discord server without an invite. If it doesn't work, make sure to check if you have updated your Discord application, and to do that you have to go to your Play Store and just open Discord there, and if you will see an update button, you have to tap on that and wait for it to be updated. And if it's done updating, you could go back and do the same process again. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.